In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an email campaign in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's dive right in. Head over to the Campaigns page under Marketing and click Create Campaign. Click Create New. Give your campaign a name like Summer Promo, then toggle on Email Recipients Only and hit the arrow to continue. Now you'll sort out your target audience. Filter by tags, select June 2026 leads, and click Select Recipient to lock in your list. You'll see a schedule step in the visual editor. Click it to choose when your campaign goes out, and in this case, we'll schedule it for July 1st. Now it's time to build out your campaign. Drag and drop a Send Email node onto the canvas to add your first email action. Choose a pre-built email template from the template library. And remember, you can create and manage your templates anytime under the Templates tab in Marketing. When everything looks good, hit Launch Campaign. You'll land back on the campaign list where you can see it running and use the menu button on the right to duplicate, pause, or cancel it anytime. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.